Hello everyone. Today we're just going to explore quickly AZURE AI and see the Open AI, and we'll try to build an app powered by AI. So first of all, you have to have an account with AZURE AI. Then you just simply click, you see that logo, Azure Open AI account. Click create, and here we choose a subscription. Resource group, I've created one before because I live in UK at the minute, so we'll choose has UK South. I'll choose my name. Oh, I don't know, let's do that. Alright, so create a new domain. So let's call this code Azure team, and let's do this. So he would select all networks, including the internet, Caracas, this resource. We'll leave this open for now. So yeah, I'll create. So we're gonna wait for the deployment. Here we go. Deployment is in progress. So it has created this. Still, let's let the deployment finishes. All right, your deployment is complete. Once it's successful, you get your. So once you created your resource, you can go to the resource and double check these details, which are quite essential. Well, I mean, it just gives you like a code bit team, gives you the location, subscription. The main thing that you need to know are your endpoints and your manage keys. So if you click here at your endpoints, all right, and the keys that you would need, you would copy it later. All right. So that's in general, and it gives you like that the settings that you're supposed to get. Once you get that, we're gonna now move on to Visual Studio and start building the app. All right. So we would select. Say let's select this one. All right. There are a variety of models that suits your needs. This one is good for text, GPT 35 Turbo. You can give it your own name, so it's called deployment model. So now we're gonna click create. So yeah, we've created the deployment. That's we've deployed a relevant chat GPT model to our sort of Azure. So I mean, in as a resource, that's what we need. So we can now see that after we build this, I think we can just go and build write a few lines of code and see how we're going to deploy that into our app. So once now we're in Visual Studio, we're going to create our class that's going to populate the details into our AI model. So we can do that by say, let's start. We add a new folder. We call this folder like layers. I'll call it what? Models. All right. And in models we can add a new class. We'll call this class soccer player, add. All right. So we're gonna add these attributes to our AI generator. Here's a soccer player. We got the attributes are name, club, position. So we go to our index page in Razor.
Okay, let's build quickly our on post method. We need the key. So our key we'll need for it the endpoint. Okay, then we would need AI open client. So AI client, you have to download the nugget from OpenAI.Azure, this one, to get it. So it's going to be new OpenAI client, new URI. I'm going to pass the endpoint in here. Then again, I'm going to new password. I'm going to call up this club. And his position. Alright. So that's all done. So we're going to new chat box. New chat completion options. So our so in messages, we're going to say new and open brackets. New when it's a system message. All right. So I'm going to chat request system message. Which going to pass the string. Then the other one is new chat user message, which is going to be our AI trigger response. Alright, so we got that sorted. So in here we're going to chat completion. Sorry about that. Completions. We're gonna our response. All right, AI. So we're gonna say AI client get chat completions. This one. All right. We're gonna get the chat box in here. So, okay, so now our method is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this response AI to locate and display our data in the backend. Right? So yeah, once we've created this player story property, we can just basically assign the response AI, which I remember to output, so easy to remember. So it's going to be player story equal RP choices 0 message that's it. And your code behind, if you go to the index here, right, so, already see you have passed on the model, which is going to display the player name and the stories that's generated by AI in response to the post message. All right.
So again, it's gonna be like chat completion. We called it again over here. We're passing the chat options and we're adding content to our play story, which we're gonna call up in the code behind, which is here, add model play story. So once you run that code, so yeah, because I removed the key earlier on, that's why it didn't work. Now put it back. So if we put Messi and say submit, so it will, you see AI generated this thing about Messi. Real Messi is considered one of the greatest football players of all time, etc., etc. So I hope that helped out. You know, and you can, I'll share this code in my GitHub as well, which I'm going to provide a link for it.